Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use a public grill. Always start by reading posted instructions and park rules, then clear away debris and ash. Light coals or gas as instructed, and allow the grill to preheat to the right temperature before placing food. Use a thermometer for safety, keep a safe distance from children, and have water or an extinguisher ready for unexpected flare-ups. Preheat and manage heat like a pro by setting up zones for direct and indirect cooking. Use a chimney starter for coals or follow the grill's built-in ignition steps for gas, keeping lids and vents adjusted to control temperature. Move food between hot and cooler zones to prevent burning, and monitor a digital or probe thermometer to keep temperatures consistent for safe, juicy results with minimal flare-ups. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you grill. They stay put when you move around a park or campsite. Check the description for the link and other deals. Get comfy feet, and now let's get back to the video. Leave the grill better than you found it by brushing grates and wiping surfaces after cooling. Use provided disposal bins for trash and metal ash cans when indicated, and avoid pouring hot coals into landscape or trash. Practice food safety by storing meats on ice, avoiding cross-contamination with separate plates, and checking internal temperatures to ensure safe cooking for everyone sharing the space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.